Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover arrays. Okay, so let's get started with arrays. So arrays are used to store multiple value in a single variable. Let's see the syntax. So we want to store a string values, then string we will use data type, and this icon is used for arrays, and this cars is a variable name. Okay. Now we want to store multiple values in a string. So what we are doing, so we have written same syntax but in curly braces multiple values with double quotes we have given. Now to create an array of integer, you could write for numbers. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40 you can write. Okay, how you have to access the elements of an array? So how you will do it? Like it works with the index 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0 we are using, then we have Volvo. Okay, 1 is there, then we have BMW. Let's try it. For 0 I have already told, so 0, 1, 2 and 3. So let me give 3. Then it should print this because 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have seen the result. It's fine. Now we will move forward. Okay, array start index is 0. Okay, I have told 1, 2, 3. Now we have to change the array index. Okay, then what we have to do? Let's try this. Now we have changed the value of 0 and printing that also. Okay, same we have like how we have sliced the array of cars, and 0 index value we have changed. Like if we have changed one value and printing 1, then instead of BMW this value will come. Okay, so you will able to see that. See, the result is fine. So like this we can change the value of an array. Now how we will find out the array length? So what we will do, same thing but dot length we will use for this one. Okay, let's try. Length is 0, 1, 2, 3. So length is 4. So 4 is printed. If we delete some value, okay, let 3 values are there. Okay, so now that will be 3. Okay, like this you can try. Now we will try this exercise. Okay, so here we will give string because character values are there, and we will use this car. Okay, and then we will show the answers. So correct, like this we can use it. Okay, now loop through an array. How to loop? So for loop we will use int I equal to 0, I cars dot length I plus plus we will use, and print car I. Okay, so let's try this. So it will print Volvo, BMW, Ford and Mazda. All the 4 are printed in this for loop because it is iterating all the values. Okay, now for each we can use, okay, so for each we have to just this new I variable we have to take and cars. Okay, so now we will print it Vol. Okay, all the 4 values are printed. It is iterating all the values. Okay, so we will try this. Okay, now we have what we have to give for. Okay, and each this cards we will print and we will see the result. It's working fine. So like this we can use for each. Okay, So we have done with the loop. In next lecture we can do multi-dimensional array. For today we are done. So if you have any question, please comment and do like, subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.